Hey there, I'm Radish, and today we're climbing Broken Top. I'm down here 30 minutes outside of Bend in the Central Oregon Cascades, and over the course of tonight, tomorrow, and the following morning, we're going to be climbing the northwest ridge of one of the classic Central Oregon volcanoes called Broken Top. So stay tuned to the end of this video. When we meet right back here, I'll do a quick debriefing of our trip report so you can hear all the details of our climb then. But the sun is setting, so let's go set up camp.
Boom.
All right, we are back at Green Lakes Trailhead. Again, I'm Radish and this was Broken Top. Now, before I get into a quick and dirty trip report, if you haven't already, please make sure to like and subscribe below. And you can keep up with all of my other adventures on Instagram at radishuprooted. It helps me out a lot, so please make sure to take a minute and go do that. All right, now for the trip report. This was a fantastic alpine climb. Right now it is the first week of June, and so the Cascade Lake Scenic Highway just opened up last week, which was Memorial Day weekend. So now that this highway is open, we were able to drive all the way to Green Lake's trailhead. The snow starts right there, so we couldn't even drive into the trailhead. We had to park on the side of the highway. But the snow is pretty consolidated and makes for some easy walking. Now we got here late the first night, so we just set up camp just past the wilderness boundary and then broke down in the morning and started the climb. From Green Lake's trailhead, we followed Fall Creek about 4.5 miles up to Green Lake. We kept the creek in sight the whole time, and it was pretty easy forest walking until we got up to the lake where we entered the subalpine. We got to Green Lakes around lunch and we set up a base camp, took a little break, and then started the climb up Broken Top. It's a pretty straightforward climb up the snowy saddle to gain the ridge. Once you gain the Northwest Ridge, it's like a class 3 scramble up to the base of the summit block. I put my poles away for that, and I used my hands quite a bit, but it wasn't anything sketchy. Now I did bring micro spikes and an ice axe for this trip. I didn't use either, but your conditions might vary. I found trekking poles super helpful through the snow. Once we got to the base of the summit, that's where the class 5 climbing started. Now I've seen online that this summit block is rated about a 5.4. We free climbed up. We found it to be okay. Again, your risk tolerance might vary, so you might want to rope up and place protection. It seemed like there were quite a few places to either place trad gear or to sling horns. We traversed a little bit to the right on the class 5 ledge and then climbed the second gully that we found. And from there, you pretty much follow a series of winding ledges until you end up on top of the crater rim. You cross over a super cool, airy, exposed feeling catwalk, and then you're at the base of the summit. Now at the base of the summit block, it was a quick 20-foot pitch, about probably a 5.4 as well, but this one felt a lot more solid, up to the top of Broken Top. From there, we had amazing views, had some snacks, had a summit beer, and then there was wrap gear up there, so we were able to set up rappel and rappel down all the class 5 climbing, back down to the Northwest Ridge, where we could resume class 3 scrambling. I wasn't super happy with the hardware I found at the rappel station, so make sure to bring your own slings and rappering. From there, we made quick work of the way back down to our base camp, spent the night, and then this morning woke up and hiked out the rest of the way. So that's pretty much all there is to it. Broken Top was a great climb. I think it's a great one for people just getting into alpine rock as well. And I imagine a couple weeks ago, it would have been a fantastic backcountry ski. So once again, I'm Radish. This was Broken Top. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to subscribe below. We'll see you later. Happy trails.